Hey everybody, it's Sarah back again for a little bit of live fun. Don't we love live fun? We're going to do a transformation on this board. So I don't know if anybody noticed this, but I had this really awesome saying on this board. Okay. And anyway, this is our Verity board, so you can kind of see, if I lift it up, you can kind of see the detail. This is like an antiqued white, and it's very pretty. It's one of the first boards that, I'm going with the one fingernail polish off today. So this is very pretty. It was one of the first boards that I actually bought that didn't come in my kit. So here we go. I'm trying to see comments and I cannot see any comments, which is the weirdest thing ever. I can see some people are here, but that's weird. Well, hi guys. So I'm going to try to look and see if I can see you eventually. Oh, okay, I got a hi. There we go. Hi Debbie. Here we go. Okay, now I can see some people. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to chalk on the bottom of this board. Now remember, all of our porcelain steel framed boards have a 50-year warranty because they are amazing products, and they are magnetic. They are very magnetic. The magnets stick really, really nicely to these boards. They have a beautiful finish. The frames are phenomenal. This is, like I said, this is Verity. We have the Aiden frame. We have, I need to move this over slightly. We have the Claire, which is really a big one, and Maggie. Those two are really thick frames like that. And Aiden is one of our skinnier frames. And then, like I said, we've got Maggie, Claire, and Ava. Oh, Ava is my newest, and she is a beauty. I've got her in the 24 by 36 size. Now this is 18 by 24. You're going to love, this is honestly probably the most versatile size because you can fit all of our really nice large transfers on here, but you can also do what I'm going to do tonight on here, which you're going to love because it's so easy. You're going to see how easy it is to create a really, really, really beautiful, I mean stunning focal point for any area of your house. And it's so easy. That's what you're going to love about tonight's project. This is such an easy project. I'm just making sure that I have no bubbles. So Thanksgiving is this week. So we're going to do the word grateful. And I'm going to be very simple. And I'm going to do it right in white. Find my Facebook. I'm trying to see my comments. Okay, so we're going to do it right in just the white. And I'm just going to kind of put some down here and get my handy dandy angled squeegee out because it works so nice and fast, and I always get nice coverage with the pressure of the angled squeegee, just a nice firm grip, and it goes fast. The only thing faster is our giant large squeegee, and that comes with a handle, a removable handle. It's a really nice size for any of the huge transfers. You can kind of get it in one swipe, which is really cool. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to peel this up after I fix that. There we go. Peel that up. Carefully. Peel and reveal my beautiful word. Okay, so we have our word grateful. And I'm just going to put my transfer in some water here just to get the chalk off of it. And let's see. See if I can't. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So now I want this to dry. So I'm going to really quickly dry it. Now you can do any of our beautiful transfers just like what I'm doing here. I'm going to show you. Oh, guys, I cannot see who's watching. So we've got Michelle and Robin, Shelly and Teresa. Hi, Michelle. Okay, so after you do your word in white, I need to, whoops, trying to, so I'm going to really quickly dry it. Now you can do any of our beautiful, trying to turn off my volume and I can't do it. I'm going to show you. Oh, guys, I can, there we go. Okay, that way I can see some of my comments. So I'm going to pan up. Hopefully this will work and not crash my phone. Okay, so I'm going to move this down. I want, hopefully, okay, so you can see the grateful. I need it to be just a little taller. So maybe I will do this. Hang tightly. Okay. All right. So we can see almost all of it. You can see the grateful down here. Hi, Jean. Now, because our boards are magnetic and we have these really awesome magnet hooks and they are phenomenally strong. They can hold, I think it's up to like 4 pounds or more. We have 2 different sizes. I have searched for an hour to find my magnetic hooks and I cannot find them. I have some coming, but I want you to imagine that I put my hook up here. It's magnetic and now I'm hanging my wreath, okay? And I'm attaching my bow. So now I have, look at this, really pretty, totally interchangeable, framed chalkboard with your word or whatever image or saying you want down here. Your wreath up here, this is perfect for Thanksgiving. And then after Thanksgiving, what will I do? Hi, Heather. After Thanksgiving, let me show you what we will do. We will change it out. We'll change it out and maybe we'll do our Christmas transfer, okay? And then we'll do a greenery wreath and we'll do red bows. Or look at what I found here. I am absolutely in love with this wreath. Isn't that pretty? It's totally just white and sparkle, and then add some red berries and do like the Comfort and Joy or the Vintage Truck. But for now, what we're doing is back to my Thanksgiving and my Grateful, just like that. Isn't it awesome? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Super easy. Totally awesome. I will come back and do this up in a Christmas theme once we are done with Thanksgiving. But I'm so excited to show you this and to show you how our, well, to pretend to show you how our magnetic hooks work. Once I find it, I'm going to post back out here and show you because they are so strong and sturdy. So thank you for watching tonight. I am super happy to share, and keep watching because some really great things are happening with our frames this week. Heather, no. So not command strips. We have really awesome magnetic hooks, and they're just a magnet, and they stick to our boards really strong, and they hold multiple pounds when they're stuck to our boards. These porcelain steel boards are very, very sturdy, and the magnets are very strong, and we sell a 5/8 inch and a 1 inch magnet. And so you just magnet the top, and then you just hook that on, and it stays. Very cool. It's very cool. And you can hang other things too besides wreaths, but how perfect for an interchangeable. This is our 18 by 24 inch framed board, and it comes in multiple styles. They're all on the website, as is the Grateful and Gather and some of our Christmas things if you're looking for Christmas. But stay tuned for a really, really big announcement on my VIP page about these boards, because you're going to really want to know. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. If you just jumped on, when I close this, you can go back and watch it from the beginning.